All right, this is a WAEC question paper 2025. From here we have question 1, which is this question, given that this is a Greek word which is a universal set, and they said that the universal set is x, whereby x is what? 1 is less than x and less than 20, where x is an integer, p is x, and x is a multiple of what? 3, and q is x. X is a prime number, where p and q are subset of what? This sign, that's the universal sign. They say you should find a p intersection complement q. The sign you are seeing of means complement. For b, they say complement p union q. See, this is open bracket, p union q, and closing bracket in complement. So before you solve this, you need to outline the given parameters, which is u universal set is when x is what? That means that x is less than, that means x is bigger than 1. X is what? Is bigger than 1. So you start from what? You start from 2, because x is bigger than 1. You start from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 19. Why did we stop 19? Because they said that 20 is bigger than x, that x is less than 20, so x is not up to what? 20, so you will stop at 19. That is the first set. Okay, permit me to extend it here. So we have 18, 19. So the second one is what? Is p, and they said that p is what? Is a multiple of 3. What do you mean by multiple of 3? You will be counting in 3 steps. That's what you mean, multiple of 3. 3 steps. 3. After 3 we have 6. After 6 we have what? 9. That is multiple of 3 in 3 steps. So we have p is what? Is 3, 3, 6, 9. Call them 12. Yes. 15. Yes. What? 18. And that is the multiple of 3, because it will not be more than the universal set, because what they mean that it must not be what? More than the universal set. Then the second one is what? That's q, right? So q, they say q is what? Is a prime number. You know what's prime number? Prime numbers are numbers that can divide by 1 and itself alone. The number that can divide by what? 1 and itself. That's what we mean by prime number. And that number is what? Is 2. 2, 3, 5, 5, 7, 11. 11 is then 17. That is a prime number. Is that clear? Okay. So after that, they said that what? That p and q are subset of x. Now what do you mean by subset? That every element that is in p, that you can get it what? From the universal set. They are subset. They depend on that, because whatever element that you are seeing in p is element that you can get from what? From that. Okay. So we are asked to solve number 1. They say you should find a. A is, that is p intersection complement q. That's what asked us to find. But before you do that, we don't have complement of Q. We only have what? Q. Now you need to get your complement of Q. So complement of Q will be, what do you mean by complement? What contains in Q that does not, that you cannot, what contains in the universal set that does not belong to Q? That's what I mean by complement. With the number you have in what? In Q, that is a universal set. That sign, that Greek symbol, universal set that you don't have in that Q. What number is that? Then you look at the universal set. We have universal set. This is Q. What do we have? We don't have 4. Yes. We don't have 6. Yes. We don't have what? We don't have 8. We don't have 9. We don't have 10. We don't have 12. We don't have 14. We don't have what? 13. We don't have 13. We don't have 14. We don't have 15. We don't have 16. We don't have 18. And we don't have 19. That is what we mean by complement. What we don't have that belongs to that. Okay. Sorry. I was supposed to put 13. 13 is a prime number now. 11 is a prime number. 11 is a prime number. 13 is a prime number. 14, that is 17, is a prime number. So okay. So from this point, then we can now solve the complements and the number 1, which is intersection. A is P intersection the complement. Then what do you mean by intersection? What they have in common? Intersection means what belongs to the set P and also belongs to set Q. So what is that belongs to set P and also belongs to? If you look at them, look at set P, look at set complement of Q, which is this. So what do they have in common? What they have in common? They have 6 in common. They have 9 in common. They have 12 in common. They have 15 in common. And they have what in common? 18 in common. So that's what we mean by intersection. That is P intersection complement Q. So the second one is P complement. So that's second one. P complement intersection. Okay, union Q. So you need to find P complement. Now, like I said earlier, P complement is what belongs to P that you cannot see in the universal. So what is that belongs to P that you cannot see in universal? Universal is 2, 3, 4 to 19. So here we have 3. So we don't have 2. We don't have 2. We don't have 4. We don't have 5. We don't have 5. We don't have 6, 7, 8. We don't have 9. Okay, we have 9. We don't have 10, 11. We don't have 13. We don't have 14. We don't have 16, 17, and 19. So that's the complements. So then you have to find now the P complement union Q. So what do you mean by union? Universal. Universal is a combination of the two sets, bringing them together. Whatever thing you have in the other set and you have in the set P and whatever you have in set Q, bring them together. That is what we mean by universal. The total sum of the sets. So in P complement, which is 2, 4, while in Q we have 2, 3. So we have 2, we have 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 8, 8, 11, 8, 8, 10, 8, 10, Q, we have 5, okay, we don't have 6, so we have 6, 7, 8, we don't have 9, so we have 10, we have 10, 10, 11, 11,